If you're wondering how to connect wired headphones to your iPhone, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it in less than a minute. Let's get started. First, plug your wired headphones into your iPhone. If your headphones use a USB-C connector, simply plug them into the USB-C port. If you're using 3.5mm headphones, you're going to have to use a compatible USB-C or Lightning headphone adapter depending on your iPhone model. Once connected, make sure the connector is fully inserted. Now, let's check if your iPhone is using your wired headphones. Go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Over here, tap the AirPlay icon in the top right corner of the media player. Let me check. If your headphones are connected correctly, you'll see them in the playback device list. If another device like AirPods or a Bluetooth speaker is selected, go ahead and tap your wired headphones. Wow! Your iPhone is now going to send all audio through your wired headphones. If you still don't hear any sound, make sure Bluetooth is turned off so your iPhone doesn't automatically connect to another audio device. That's it. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my recommended wired headphones and adapters in the description to help support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.